Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone hotspot not working. Step 1. Turn personal hotspot off then on. First go to settings, then personal hotspot. Turn allow others to join off then on. Try connecting your other device again. This refreshes the hotspot connecting and fixes minor glitches. Step 2. Check cellular data. Go to settings, then cellular data. Make sure it is on. Ensure your data plan supports hotspot. No data or restricted plan means hotspot won't work. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off, then turn on again. Restarting fixes temporary software conflicts. Step 4. Forget and reconnect device. On the device, try to forget the iPhone hotspot. Reconnect using the correct password. This clears previous connecting issue. Step 5. Reset network setting. Go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then reset network setting. This resets Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and cellular settings but keeps your data. Resets any hidden conflict blocking the hotspot. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install latest iOS 18 update. Updates fix bugs that cause hotspot issue. Step 7. Disable VPN or data saver. Turn off VPN or data saver low data mode on your iPhone. Check setting, then cellular data options, then low data mode. Those can block hotspot connections. And this is how you can fix your iPhone hotspot not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.